To empty an aquarium without stressing your fish, turn off the filters and heater. Remove clean water into buckets. This will be the water that you can move the fish into. Remove the decor, leaving the gravel. Then drain the aquarium using a siphon or hose down to net height. This makes it much easier to catch the fish as they cannot travel up and down. Then you can add these fish to the buckets. Add only one or two larger fish to a bucket. You can add 4 to 8 smaller fish. I add prime to the buckets to detoxify any waste they produce. You can also add an aerator and then finish draining the aquarium, and you can remove the gravel with a scoop or net. Then use a shop vac or a Python water changer to remove the last of the dirty water from the bottom.